This is what my afternoon is looking like. Thunderstorm, lightning, and rain. A little bit of wind. Earlier on it was more windier than that. It was windier than that. Now, not as much. But this is my afternoon. You cannot see the other side of the lake very clearly. Everything. Ooh, that's lightning. The rain chain is just pouring out the water. See how it's falling over there? All of this flashing is lightning and thunder. This is the sky. This is what the sky looks like. Can't see the sky. All the flashing is lightning. On a clear day you can see the lake properly, but now it's just buried with all this rain and lightning and thunder. The rain chain. The rain is falling so hard that the water is lightning. See how the water is falling right off the guttering. It's falling. You see how it's collecting over here? It's falling really hard and it's falling fast. So that's outside. This is outside by the front window. We do have guttering, but it's not holding the water up today. That's lightning. It is still raining, but this is what the setting of the sun looks like. The rain is not as heavy anymore, it's just drizzle, but take a look at how the universe, God, creates miracles in the sky. This is the setting of the sun. I mean, you would not have believed that from watching all that rain, that we would have such a beautiful setting of the sun. Gorgeous, love it.